Good morning, brothers and sisters. It is 11:26 a.m. Central Standard Time on January 8th, 2022. This is a high air quality alert right here in the northern tips of Spain, near France. We are having a high ozone, actually, burn, CERN, which is right here in this little triangle area. It's very interesting. This is also happens to be right close to, does anybody know? That's where our Italian model for our Schumann resonances is right in this area, and we are looking at 131.26 meters cubed, which is off the charts for nitrous dioxide. These are high levels. This is a danger alert. We've also got some other things that are. Oh, come on now, you gutless bloody wonder. Oh, this thing's wanting to run slow on me. We also have triple digits in near Kuwait City, Duhan, Riyadh, Isfahan, Tehran, and over here by Dhunbad, India, which happens to have a lot of it. There's another 132.95. They're always high over here in India. Not exactly sure why, but then we've also got over here in Hong Kong. Look at the levels they're reading. They're saying, oh, it's only 53.03, but just slightly north of it, it's 98. What are they going on about? Oh, 107, triple digits. There's a lot of stuff going on here, folks. Over here by Handan, China, 108. This is not looking good, folks. Let's check the United States. Get out of the region. We are over here in, guys, protect your package, Bangkok, Thailand. We are looking at 136.88 meters cubed. In the United States, we're looking at 71.18 in Los Angeles, California, for our nitrous dioxide levels being the highest. Canada, we're looking at Alberta, Canada, in 37.97. Vancouver is just under it, 30.0. It's actually 32. But let's check our nitrous dioxide levels, or PM 2.5. All of the United States and Canada, we are looking at Los Angeles again with 52 meters cubed of PM 2.5. Again, that's anything over 10. At 10 will actually increase your likelihood of cancer by 30%. And once again, over here in Milan, just like we had with the nitrous dioxide, Milan is looking at 92. This is the region we were at, 92 meters cubed. My goodness. Oop, 94. Oh, that ain't good. See if we can find a higher number here, if that's as high as it goes. It looks like 94 is as high as it goes. What is Milan known for? Does anybody know? Oh yeah, fashion. For all the models kind of come out. In fact, that's going to be happening here pretty soon, if I'm not mistaken. It's the new year. They'll come out for their spring and summer wear for 2022. And this is where they're going. Yeehaw. Again, we're still at PM 2.5. Looks like Handan is at 190. Oh my gosh. And Zhuzhou they're showing reported numbers of 196, but I've got 193, so they could be right. Wherever they're getting that number from, they could be very right. And it looks like over here in India, if I can get us back over there. Yep. Kolkata, 117. Patna, 125. It is not looking good, folks. But wait, there's more. Right here is taking a look at our ozone levels, folks. That's right, ozone layer. You can see right here, ozone layer. 400 is as high as the chart goes. And then it comes down below, I'm going to say below 100. Now down here, this is what I find to be interesting. If you notice, it's all up north here, right along in the northern hemisphere, closer to the North Pole. Well, why is that? Because as we know, the North Pole is where the ozone started to become thinner. Well, okay. Why is that? Why do we have a hole in our ozone layer above the North Pole? And why are we getting these effects? Well, didn't Comet Leonard just kind of blow by us with a bunch of debris? And our Earth is currently tilted away from the sun, or the northern hemisphere is the North Pole is tilted away from the sun, making the northern hemisphere the direct impact of anything that came off of that comet's tail, where the South Pole is being more protected. That makes sense, right? We're just going to use common logic. Well, hey, look at this. looks to be about right to me. So really, if you're along this part here, let's see what they are here. Let's just take a peek. 239. Okay, I'd say that's within an acceptable range. That's not bad at all. But let's check out here in Canada, British Columbia. Uh-oh. We are off the charts, folks. It only goes to 400. And we're at 413 here in British Columbia. Alberta, 417. The United States is looking somewhat decent. Looks like, let's see, let's check right up here by North and South Dakota. Let's check up here, because my pop lives up there. 352. Those aren't good levels. Oy, I'm going to have to let my dad know. That's not good at all. 345. Right in North Dakota. Oh yeah, man, I'm actually scared to come over here and look at England. I'm not going to lie. Let's zoom in on England. England, you are on high alert. You are off the charts almost everywhere. I think Norwich and Skegness are below 400, which is the limit right over here, as you can see, 400. Everywhere else, you're above 400. This is an ozone alert. Look at these 421 up here in Kendai. Gloucestershire is 413. London is 402. Aberystwyth, I think I said that right, 416. Holy cow. That's not good at all. Yeah, these are some high numbers. Look out over here in Ireland and Scotland as well. You guys are, I mean, same goes to you. Watch out. These are some high numbers. Look at this, 424, 422, 22. Oh boy. Let's go check out some other places. Budapest, 420. Zagreb, 428 here in Croatia. Holy cow, look up here in Lepaja, 434. Whoa. These are some astronomical numbers. Looking like Russia is our big loser of the day. Or winner, however you want to look at it. If you want to look at the high numbers as being the winner, you guys got it. 459 right here just west of Ayan, A-Y-A-N, where they're even registering 456. Folks, this is not good. This is definitely an air quality alert day. Try to stay indoors. Man, almost makes you wonder if you should be wearing a mask, doesn't it? Look at this, 460. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this. Yes, I am. Nikolaevsk na Amuri, 462. I probably just totally butchered that, but I apologize, folks, but you get the idea. My goodness. And does it not make sense on how we got it? It makes a lot of sense to me, but what does that mean, right? There's a lot of people that aren't going to really understand or know, what does the high ozone levels mean? Well, come over here and take a peek. What does high levels of ozone? Okay, if you have asthma, bronchitis, or emphysema, ozone can make your symptoms worse. Carefully follow your asthma management plan. Okay, so coughing and pain when taking a deep breath, lung and throat irritation, wheezing, and trouble breathing during exercise or outdoor activities. So if you work outdoors, be prepared. Look at the variety of health effects associated with high levels of ozone. Include decreased lung function, throat irritation, severe asthma symptoms, cough, chest pain, shortness of breath, irritation of lung tissue, and higher sensitivity to respiratory infections. It can also harm sensitive vegetation during the growing season. Thank goodness it's winter, right? The ozone harms ecosystems. What in the world? Let's see what else. This is from NASA. It can have serious consequences for life on Earth. Yeah, that's not good. Uh-oh. The tropospheric ozone is increasing in the air we breathe, and the good stratospheric ozone is decreasing in our protective ozone layer. That's not good whatsoever. Look at this. Ozone can cause the muscles in the airways to constrict, trapping air in the alveoli. Yeah, this isn't good. Scratchy throat. So be careful, folks. Please be careful. Remember, love is the only way forward.